Mjito uzoswina le league lo. I'm telling you guys. You know lo Mjito lo ya. Izolo makaqeda ukora le goal because I used to have a concern that mara in all the departments it looks like we are solid. But go striking force. I had doubts. Which is no Mabasa. Sino Mbuthuma,
Radio Pan.
Sino Radio Pani.
Sinayo
Mahupa.
Noluthuli. Yakadlala.
Yeah. So I Maramanje, this chap is proving us wrong. Day by day, he's proving us wrong. And these are the people that Hugo Bros will always call. You know, sometimes we must allow people who understand football to make us understand football. Because sometimes we think we understand football, yet we don't. You know, you remember, guys, no matter si to Mahopo feel, Hugo Bros will always say, I want that player there from Pirates. Wafika Rivero, when the same night was fakela lo muntu phela lo muntu lena bekunzima ukuthi simunderstand singamapakani. But look what he's doing now. Ukwinya igama kaMakhopa asakuthi uzofaka lesa striker sibuya kuBaroka ubani singamazi nayo yazi amazulu
Malupa.
but that man has improved.
Yeah.
Yazi kunelinye ibhola ngibone bamphasa leza phezulu kasemidleleni akazange lose.
Yeah.
Yeah, we wasn't 2001. I think 2 or 3.
Yeah, when the 2 or 3 similar things. Ngathi uyenza lento aku center.
Yeah.
And then anikeza omunye kuphushe kuye phambili.
Yeah.
Abuye score ngapha. It's a horse kuleya team.
It's a horse.
It's a horse. Ihashli to lelana.
Yeah.
I was actually wondering where are we going to get a striker that will score consistently. I think that guy is now close in that space. We're going to win the league based on that man.
It should be that guy.
Big statement.
Yeah. Based on that man, we're winning the league.
Yeah.
Just this thing we're winning because